guys, welcome back to Vanio 999, and here you join us, I, and myself, and turn it back on. To Meyer, who has turned off the light. Detective Meyer, what is up, y'all? Let's find out some stuff. Let's be detectives. And see if my radios go off. Skittles! Yeah, you can have them. Yay, Skittles! What's happened?
South at 7. Denton, clear. Mineral wells, clear. 90. South. Elsewhere around the region. False, partly cloudy.
This doesn't want to get good reception.
88. Southeast at 13.
Vincent, you been to Jellystone?
Yeah.
I have twice.
Well, I think we have twice too.
Southwest at 6. Once again at 6 p.m. DFW Airport, partly cloudy. 88. South at 8. Now let's forecast for the general northwest and southwest. Tonight, clear. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday.
Oh, wait, I just remembered. We gotta put these on. Advisory! Boop! I said boop. Boop! Boop! Finally.
Clear. Winds in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny.
Great.
Highs in the upper 80s.
No static with
Saturday
anything.
night, mostly clear.
Now we join Meyer, Detective Meyer.
What's up?
Case solver of 2024.
Probably gonna be the newest YouTuber.
Probably for like maybe a couple minutes to a couple days. I don't know. And we're gonna close my door.
Tuesday,
Guys, these are I trust you. These are green in real life. It looks like whitish,
mostly clear.
yellow.
Cloudy with a 20%
Looks like
chance of
kind
showers
of yellow white.
tonight.
Red, obviously red. This is white. It looks bluish and on the
30% chance of
white
showers.
looks bluish on the screen. Red is red. Yellow looks yellow whitish on the screen. And green looks like yellow green whitish on the screen. I don't know. It's like a minty color.
Not expected at this
Now
time.
we wait.
And now the hazard is
That I don't know if that's going off. Barely gets any reception ever.
The ultraviolet
Here we go. Mark.
October 24th is 5.
Oh, I wish I had a. That's not first header. That's not first header, even though it's great reception. I don't understand why. Maybe it's the channel itself. Maybe it's just like, I don't know. Somebody tell me why these white ones on KC55 won't go on the first header with perfect reception.
Tests of the signal and receivers
Those two went off at the same time.
the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 and 8 p.m. There is a threat of severe weather. The test will be
Oh, sour.
available good weather day.
Oh, sour.
Reception of this broadcast.
Try a yellow one.
Thanks. Oh, sour. Oh, you're lying.
At greater distances from the
I did not
transmitter
do
will occur even though you are using
What?
a good quality receiver in good working.
I need to turn my watch. Meyer Dacol, get off of that chair. I'm kidding. But still. No lying down on the job.
The test of weather radio stations.
Yay, you concludes the test.
Current time is 6:33
So this
p.m.
can turn off on
Central
its own.
Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 55.
So if you had this off, like to begin with, it can turn off on its own. I've never seen that. Great! Hey, that's just test of 6:30 p.m. Also, it is Wednesday, October the 23rd. So, Alexa, what will the next Wednesday be? Oh, wait, I forgot it's computer. Computer, when will the next October be? Bruh, excuse
Next October will be October 2025.
Computer, when will the next Wednesday be?
Next Wednesday is in 6 days, 5 hours, and 25 minutes.
Alexa, what day will next Wednesday be? Whoa, what's my balance? Computer, what day will next Wednesday be?
October 30th, 2024.
30th? Oh my god, the 30th. And that night in November when the test is for sirens. And too bad we can't watch it because we got school.
Well, stay tuned for the
Ooh.
33rd or 30th
It's got to
of October.
October 30th. We'll be joined at
Yeah. Oh gosh. We will do some Minecraft gameplay.
Yeah, if my first video, which, yes, I have not gotten the first and second episode to get upload because they're just so freaking long. If the first episode
Is 2
uploads
hours.
correctly, 2 hours and 22
Spoiler
minutes.
alert, it's a lot of gameplay.
Boop. That's a test. My ankle, come back. Excuse me, Mara, would you please come back to film the outro?
Anyway, guys, that's it. Anyway, little detectives, that's it for today. Be sure to stay safe out there and don't get involved in any crimes. Peace.
Yes, you've heard him, folks. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Maybe get you drop another Skittle. Like, subscribe, comment, share, rate, do all the things down below the video for on mobile. Maybe that's also on computer and tablet and every other device. That's except if you're watching this on a console. Like,
Just like the video.
and subscribe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Also, comment if we should make the span chain longer. And mine. Should we make the span chain longer? Look, I'm going to start. Look, I'm going to start from the beginning to the end.
Goodbye.
Bro. Okay, well, that concludes it.
Wait. Before you guys go, have a Skittle.
I don't want to have any sour particles on the camera. Anyways, you heard him. Stay safe out there. Don't get involved in any crime.
Peace.
That's his. And comment, like, and subscribe. I'm copying too many people. Like, subscribe, comment, share, rate, do all the things. Except if you're on console, unsubscribe. It unsigned in, so you can't like and subscribe if you like your family. That's his idea.
It wasn't.
Yeah, it was. The first time. The first time I've heard that. That was your idea. And see you guys in my next one. Peace to all.
And love.
Bro.